welcome to the video. In this video, we'll be discussing about the methods of strategic development. So the contents of the video are internal development, organic versus inorganic growth, mergers and acquisition, strategic alliance, franchising, BCG matrix, and the public sector portfolio. So just think for a moment, okay? Assume you have an established business, you have decided your objective, you have analyzed your business environment internally and externally. So you have essentially done your SWOT and you also know your objective. Now you want to expand and grow. What options do you have to grow? That is the question. So think how your company can grow. So to grow your company, there are various ways in which you can do it. So it's called as grand strategies. So one of them is organic growth and the other branch is inorganic growth. So under inorganic, we have merger, acquisition, joint venture, alliance, and franchise. So what is organic growth? See, organic growth is you get funds by way of equity capital or debt capital, okay? But mostly it is about using the equity capital. So with that capital, what you do, you slowly grow your company. So once it has reached a scale and you have also earned a sufficient amount of reserve and surplus, with that reserve and surplus, you try to grow your company. So how do you grow? You try to again invest in a new factory which you itself built, okay? And you slowly try to grow. That is called as organic growth. So you're not trying to grow fastly by way of mergers or acquisitions. So organic growth is using your own fund and with slowly developing in the same business model, okay, using the original business model, the same way you're trying to grow your company little by little. So that is called as organic growth. Not to force growth with outside investment, and the rate of growth is more natural, okay. So expanding naturally and using the same business plan, and the growth rate is very natural and not forced. How to grow organically? Selling in new areas or through new channels. So you're trying to sell in the same in new areas through the new channels. So essentially it is your same product, but you try to move to new areas, selling to new customers or selling more to existing customers. So if you can find it, you can see, look at it. It's all about the same product, okay, but the area seems to be different, or the customers are going to be different. But the company is going to sell the same kind of a product. So it can be similar, same, or even developed product, but they are not going to merge or acquire. So that is called as organic growth. So the advantages is, as it is the same business model, it is a tried and tested model. It is less riskier. The company will have a good credibility in the market because it is already successful in its core business. It's easier on finance, so it doesn't borrow a lot of debt. So it is much more a safe company. Disadvantage, to develop this kind of a company, it usually takes a very long year, even decades. There is a limit to how much organically we can grow, and some business owners prefer having outside investment. So these are the disadvantages of organic growth. You can reach me at my website wowacademics.com, or you can also see my Quora answers. I am active in LinkedIn and in Facebook page, so you can visit at these places. If you just type Shyam Prasad and Wow Academics, you will get all these links in Google search itself. And if you like this video, give a like, share to your friends, and if you feel that any points we have missed in this video, you can post it. We will try to give an answer to you in the comment section itself, or we'll also create another video for you. So thank you for watching our video.